Hello, I'm Betty Hurley, and I'm here to give you a tutorial on how to use Weebly to document your work. We are starting on the initial Weebly page. You would get here by typing in www.weebly.com, W-E-E-B-L-Y, like there. And you would need to sign up, so you need to give your full name and email and create a password and click Get Started. That's pretty straightforward. I've already done that, so I'm going to go ahead and log in, and that's what you would do each time after you have signed up. And when you go to click on login, you can go ahead, if you have Facebook or Google, you can go ahead and log in that way once you have created your new username and password. The next thing you will get is your My Sites page. You won't have anything here. I have created a sample for you, and I have the link for you if you are using this tutorial for the quantitative skills course on Canvas. Go ahead and click Add Site since you're going to be creating a new site. And the focus of your site will be a site. The blog would be just the journal, so you don't want to do just a journal. And then go ahead and choose a theme. You can change your theme after you've gotten started. But I'm going to select the one I used for the sample that I created for you, and that's this one here. And note, once you hover over it, you'll get the choose prompt, and you can go ahead and click on that. And the next thing you need to do is to give your website a name. You do want to do a subdomain unless you want to pay. You would have to pay for your own domain. But a subdomain works fine. And I'm just going to call this Betty's Practice. And you can see that that's available. And so my the URL for this page is going to be bettyspractice.weebly.com, which is nice. So I'll continue. And that puts me right into the editor, and I'll talk more about these segments over here. But the first thing I want to do is to add some more pages. Right now, showing is the home page, there's an about page, and there's a contact page. So if I go to pages and add a page, and the first thing I want to add is a journal page. So we're just going to call it journal, or maybe my journal. And then the next thing I want to add is your project page. So that's a standard page. And we'll just call it my project page. Okay, and you see it gets created here already. I want to move the contact down so that the order is home, about, the journal, the project page, and then the contact information. And let's go ahead and save that. Now when you go back to your page, note that those are all there. Why don't we go to the journal first? And you can work on these in any order, of course. But you can see that the journal is already set up. So you could put your name here. And you can write something about yourself. The categories and the archives are already set up. You can click on New Post. And note, when you click on the post, you can give it a title. And you will need to drag elements. So you could put another title, an image, some slides, a map, but I want to just put in text, so I just click on it, hold and drag. And there's my text area. And you would continue writing there. And click on post to go ahead and post that. Okay. So you can check and see there's your post. And it's all set. People can put comments in, and you can keep adding posts that way. So that's your journal. So that's pretty easy. If we go back over to home, you may want to add a headline. And a description there. And you also may want to add some more text, so you could drag some more text over and put some more text in there. So there's all different things you can do on that home page. Under the contact page, it automatically doesn't have much actually. So you can put in a contact form and move that over. And that allows people to contact you. And you can put some more information about yourself there with the text box. For the project page, you probably do want to choose a layout for that, because that will have more information on it. And you can see you have a lot of choices here. I'm just going to choose this first one. And note, when you do choose one, it has you either cancel or keep. So you, if you don't like it, you can cancel it immediately. Otherwise, if you keep it, it goes in there. And this one is nice because you can put in some general information in this area here, and it's very easy. Just click into the text box, and then you can edit anything within it, like delete. You have your choices here. You can click on an image and replace that image, which you probably will want to do, or you can keep those images. And I chose this one because it laid it out nicely in terms of intro, more information, and maybe conclusions for your project. Now, for other things to add to your project, note over here on the left-hand side, as I said, there's basic, which is clicking on the T here, so it's title, text, image, gallery, slideshow, a map, so you can show where you are. You can embed code and the contact form. If you click on the next one, the structure, you can add dividers and buttons. Anything with a star in it means that you do have to pay for that. You have to have the paid version of Weebly. And then media, so if you click on the music sign here, you can put in video, audio, a document, and that's really important if you want to attach a document, a YouTube video specifically, a file specifically, and something in Flash if you want. The commerce you probably won't need. And then more, I don't think there's anything in there that's really essential. If you do want to change the design, the theme, you can go ahead and click on design, and you see you have all of your choices in there. And that's about it. It's, as you see, it's relatively easy, and really just go and explore. It's easy to delete things if you don't like how things look, and to change things. This should be a very convenient way to document your work. So have fun.